This is a short tutorial on using FileZilla. FileZilla is an FTP tool that copies files from your computer to a server. In this case, it's the ITD1 server. So you'll download, install, and open FileZilla. So first we'll set your connection properties. In the host box, the host is ITD1.cincinnatисtate.edu. The username is Cincinnati State, of course no spaces, but Cincinnati State / the first part of your email address. So mine is frankie.baker. Be sure that you do not add @cincinnatисtate.edu at the end of this. So again, mine is Cincinnati State / frankie.baker. And your password is your MyCState password. You can either hit the Enter key or click Quick Connect. And you should see that you've logged in. Okay, so now that we've logged in, now we need to access your website. So in the Remote Site box, leave that leading slash and enter WAP2 for Web Applications 2 - your last name and your first initial. And in this case, I'm using Jane Doe. Jane Doe's website is WAP2-DOJ and hit enter. Okay, so whatever folder you have selected up here, this box shows all the files within that folder on the ITD server. So now what you need to do is locate where your files are on your local computer where you're running .NET, and we're going to move those or copy those over to the ITD server. So on the left hand side in this local site, I'm going to navigate to where my files are for my project. Mine are under frankie.baker here, documents, IT-218. There's the Web2 blank, but you don't want, and again, whatever folder is selected up here, the files and folders within this folder are displayed down here. So when you get to this level of your website, this is not what you want to move. You want to go, and I'm going to go deeper, Web2 blank, you want to go deeper to where you see these app data, app start bin. You might not see content yet, but you should see controllers, models, views. This is the level that you want to copy over to your website. So you want to select all the files. So I'm going to click on the top folder to select that. Scroll all the way down, hold the Shift key, and click the bottom file. So all of these files are selected. Then you simply drag them from this file name box over into this file name box and drop the files, and you'll see them start to copy. Depending on your connection speed, it may take a few minutes. The files on your local computer have now been copied over to your website on the ITD1 server. Okay, now we need to validate that our website is running in a browser. So I'm going to open Chrome. Your website name is http://itd1.cincinnatисtate.edu, and then your website name. And in my case, it's WAPP2, so WAP2, which is Web Applications 2 - Baker F, and hit enter. Okay, so this shows the website is running. If you hit F5, which refreshes, it'll continue to refresh the date and time. right? So all this page does is just show the current date time. Now, the URL, the default URL is home index. So even though you don't type home index, since that is the default path, the default page, then that's where it goes to, even if you don't have home index in the browser. So again, this shows you the actual page that's being displayed.